Icebreaker vessels play a crucial role in maritime navigation, especially in icy waters. These specialized ships are designed to navigate through ice-covered regions, ensuring safe passage for other vessels. Their unique capabilities allow them to break through thick ice, creating navigable channels. Understanding the rules governing their operation is essential for safe and efficient maritime travel. When it comes to lights, icebreaker vessels have specific requirements under the rules of the road, or ROR. At night, they display a combination of lights to indicate their status. An icebreaker underway shows a white masthead light and two additional side lights, red on the port side and green on the starboard side. If the icebreaker is engaged in ice operations, it will display an additional yellow light above the masthead light. This signals to other vessels that they should exercise caution and maintain a safe distance. During the day, icebreakers use specific shapes to communicate their activities. The most common day shape is a diamond, which signifies that the vessel is engaged in icebreaking operations. This shape is crucial for other ships to recognize, as it indicates that the icebreaker is actively working to clear a path through the ice. Additionally, if an icebreaker is towing another vessel, it will display a cone shape pointing downward. This alerts nearby ships to the presence of a tow, ensuring they navigate safely around the operation. Communication is vital in icy waters, where visibility can be limited. Icebreakers utilize various channels to maintain contact with other vessels and shore stations. VHF radio is the primary means of communication, allowing icebreakers to relay their position, intentions, and any hazards in the area. Additionally, visual signals, such as flags and lights, are employed to convey messages to nearby ships. It's essential for all mariners to stay informed and responsive to these communications to avoid accidents. Now, let's summarize some best practices when navigating near icebreaker vessels. First, always keep a safe distance. Icebreakers can create large waves and shifting ice that can be hazardous to smaller vessels. Second, be aware of the lights and shapes displayed by the icebreaker. Recognizing these signals will help you understand their operations and intentions. Third, maintain open communication. If you're unsure about the icebreaker's actions or your own navigation, don't hesitate to reach out via VHF radio. Lastly, stay informed about weather conditions and ice reports, as these factors can change rapidly in icy environments. By understanding the rules and signals associated with icebreaker vessels, mariners can ensure safer navigation in challenging conditions. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a newcomer to maritime activities, keeping these guidelines in mind will help you navigate icy waters with confidence.